everybody.
Hello, Cracky Friend.
Yeah, you're going to have to speak up a little bit, Toots. I got you plugged in.
I said hello, Cracky Friend.
I'm coming on today. I'm knocking everything over, actually, with the hashtag Meet Me With Some Die Cuts. And it's hosted by none other than the Susan Tootsie Tucker.
It's me.
So I've been busy die cutting, and so I have some butterflies. You know, everybody likes butterflies. And I have some little bunny hops that sit on these little stools. And a few little dinosaurs. Different kinds of dinosaurs. And I have, here's some more dinosaurs over here. And I have, now I'm going to color these. These are hippopotamuses, if you can say it right. Let's see. The hippos. I can't get my lights. There we go. Now you can see him. There he is. I'm going to color him. And then I have a little fish. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. We'll color him. And then I have these little caterpillars. He comes in several pieces. But this is what he's going to look like when he's finished. Whoops. He will look like this. And I think he is so cute. So those, and then I have, our cute little moosey fella. He's so cute. Love that moose. And some bees, bumblebee, honeybees, some kind of bees, and elephant on the ball. And it's reversible paper, so you can do it either way. And then a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, yeah, you got it. And then this is sea life. Here is octopus. And we've got coral. And shells of all kinds. And these cute little seahorses. I can pick them up. There's one size. There's little ones too. Look how little that is. Aren't they cute?
Fresh.
They are fresh. And some starfish. And so then I had some paper, and I cut out and made this little envelope that has seahorses and crabs and fish on it. So I thought I'd put all those in that, and I'll try to make some more envelopes to put these other things in. But this is where I've started, except for my flowers that I did the other day. Because this month, for April, it's flowers, critters, and what? Animals. Okay. So that'll do it. That'll do it for me. Yep, and that'll do it for me. And we will talk to you tomorrow.
Blessings.
Toodaloo.